The beauty of the natural world lies in the details. Natalie Angier. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. There is a way that nature speaks, that land speaks. Most of the time, we are simply not patient enough, quiet enough to pay attention to the story. Linda Hogan. This curious world we inhabit is more wonderful than convenient, more beautiful than it is useful. It is more to be admired and enjoyed than used. Henry David Thoreau. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. Helen Keller. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. There's a whole world out there, right outside your window. You'd be a fool to miss it. Charlotte Erickson. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Vincent Van Gogh. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. Galileo Galilei. Preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. Carl Sagan.